session สวัสดีครับ so today I am going to make Yum Nua Yang, which is a Thai spicy grilled green salad. So I will be cooking that for dinner today. So the ingredients I have is the beef sirloin, and we have an onions, which is like the spring onions that I have now, and we have to cut additional onions. And this is a tomato that I can chop in, and we have some lettuce that we can chop them into the beef salad, and a cucumber. So instead of the chili sauce, the red chili, I am going to use a chili powder. So let's get started. Your first step is to cook the beef into a pan, and once they cook, they are allowed the beef to cool down before slicing it. Let's do it. The next step here is to cut tomatoes, onions, and cucumber. First, I am going to start cutting up the tomatoes into the pieces. Next stage is I will be going to be cutting up the cucumber. I will be going to be cutting a celery into small pieces. The final thing for the ingredients is to cut up the onions. The final part for the cooking session is to show you how to make a salad dressing for Yum Nua Yang. So the ingredients that I have is the fish sauce, and this is chili powder instead of the red chili, a lime juice, and the minced garlic, and also have a sugar. So let's get started on mixing. Okay, first I am going to be adding a 1 teaspoon of palm sugar first. And 2 tablespoons of the lime juice. and 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Actually, I'll add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. All we have to do is to mix up all the ingredients well.